How thick are Saturn's rings? Saturn's rings are very grand and large. In fact, they'd just fit between the Earth and the Moon. But despite that, they're very thin. On average, they're just 10 meters tall. One of my favorite facts about Saturn's rings is that if you were to scale them down such that they'd fit between Sydney and Perth, the rings would be as thick as only a piece of paper. The astronomer Galileo reportedly discovered the rings of Saturn, although when he saw them, he didn't realize that they were actually rings around the planet. In fact, he thought Saturn was composed of 3 planets that almost touch and move with each other. He even described them as Saturn's ears. But then, in 1612, the rings appeared to disappear, and they'll do the same again this year in March, which really surprised Galileo. He even joked that Saturn had swallowed his children in reference to the myth of the Titan Saturn devouring his offspring. But the poor thing was confused even more once again when the rings returned into view in 1613. Nowadays we know that what he saw was the rings appearing to disappear and reappear again because they are just so thin.